Hello guys, let's talk about the school we're going to and what we want to pursue. Who wants to share first?
Me. I'm gonna
Okay.
study at NU because it offers a strong emphasis on experiential learning through co-op programs and giving students like me a real-world work experience before graduation.
That's great. Who's next?
I want to
Also
go to.
offers, oh, you go first.
Okay, thank you. I want to go to UP because both my older siblings went there, and I'm thinking about pursuing psychology.
Since also offers a top-notch medical program and I want to help others and provide for my family in the future, I intend to study nursing there.
I'm thinking enrolling in PUP because it's closer to home and
Oh, Althea, you want to go first before
Okay,
Obeda?
so
Okay.
I'm planning on going to URS Taytay for college to pursue my dreams of becoming a nurse and helping other people more.
Okay, Obeda, are you still with us?
yes.
Okay.
I'm enrolling in PUP because it's closer to home and they have great business courses. I also want to help my family as soon as I can.
Thank you. Good luck. Good luck to us.